Hello and welcome to the class of GPRS. So today in this class we are going to discuss about GPRS technology, which is General Packet Radio Service. So this is a packet radio service. That means transmission of packets through ear interface. Now we have a dedicated internet connection. Now our main aim to transmit packets through the radio interface. That's why here we call it as a radio service. Now this is a data service. We call it as this is 2.5G. Now this is basically based on packet switching. So as per the switching techniques, we have circuit switch networks, we have packet switch network and message switching. Circuit switching is used in case of GSM, whereas in case of GPRS, we have a concept of packet switching, in which from one end to another end, transmission of packets through air and the network is completely packet switched. So before GPRS, we have already established GSM network. That means we have BTS. This BTS is connected with BSC and we have MSC and its databases. Now this BTS as well as the BSC is working on circuit switch network. That means if they have some cards, so card is they are having circuit switched units. Whereas now our main method, like we have to transmit or we have to enable packet switching. So here also packet switching is required. Similarly at BTS end packet switching is required. So if I move to the databases of MSC, so this is for voice. Now we require some other database which is there for data or switch which is there to process data, and this is also based on packet switch network. Now what is the change that GPRS required in BTS and BSC? So they require upgradation of a cards. That means in BTS as well as in BSC, they require some unit and the unit as PCU. Now what is this PCU? PCU stands for Packet Control Unit. Packet Control Unit, that means it basically works on packet switching. Now we have it works on a principle of segmentation and reassembly. That means packet control unit has a principle that it will work on segmentation and reassembly. For example, I have some data, so dividing into segments, segmentation, and if I have various segments, to combine them is reassembly. That means if I have a package from an end and I have a segments of package, so I can reassemble them also, and when I have to send, so I can make a segments and then I can transfer it. So for general packet radio service, which is a data service, we require packet control unit at our radio part. So for GPRS, what is the change that we require in the radio part is packet control unit. That means upgradation of BTS and BSC, or new BTS or BSC is required for GPRS, so that we can have combined GSM plus GPRS. Radio technology, GSM for voice, and this is for data. And also if I move to the mobile station, so this mobile station, if it supports only GSM technology, so this mobile station works on only and only GSM. So that it can support GPRS, I required this upgradation also, so that GPRS, this mobile station can work on GPRS and it can process the data also. That means we require to have a change in the mobile station as well. So if I get to the combined architecture, so each and every unit requires some additional functionality as well as upgradation of the units so that they can have the new technology. This is not in the case of GPRS only. As we are moving with the technologies, as we are growing, so we require a change in each and every unit. from the user end towards the network end, there is upgradation, there is a change. So we have this new mobile station. Now this mobile station can support voice and data. And this mobile station, voice plus data. Take an example that they support only voice. These are attached with the help of a radio interface with this is BSS part. So here in this BSS part, we have BTS, and BTS has packet control unit. Thank you so much.